Solar water heater are used around the world. Are not very difficult to build it. The system that I'm going to discuss you is based on a design developed some years ago in Afghanistan and customizing in many countries like here in South America. The part of this video, I will show you how to install it. So check this out.
It can heat 70 liters of water to 60 degrees Celsius. It can do this between sunrise and noon on the clear day, with an average of air temperature of 32 degrees Celsius. Now, there are two parts in the solar water heater. One part is made of a sheet of metal painted black. Black surfaces become hotter in the sun than the surface is painted any other color. This black metal plate is called a collector. The collector is placed in contact with the water. There are several kinds of metal sheets that can be used for the collector. Corrugated metal will work very well. Corrugated sheets are often used as roofs on housing. Once the water is heated, it is kept hot with insulation material. This allows the water to stay warm for a long period of time. The second part of the solar water heater holds the water for the system. This is storage tank, a container that holds about 100 liters. Two rubber pipes are attached to the water storage tank. One pipe lets water flow into the system. The other lets water flow out. When the water heater is working correctly, water will flow from the storage tank to the collector and back again. You can use the hot water at the top of the tank for washing and cleaning. You can change the flow of water so that the temperature is hot or warm as desired. The solar water heater is easy to install and operate. It will last about 2 years before the rubber pipes need to be replaced. Remember, there is also something else you will need to make the solar water heater work: the sun. As you might expect, the heater will heat the water only on sunny days.
Now, we will show you how to build the solar water heater like this.